My name is Kingsley Obiukwu. It's interesting to know that sadly, the political space in Nigeria at the moment has little or no room for the people we call the intellectuals. Why? You realize that almost everybody is interested in is funds, money. So you start to ask yourself the question, how about what I have to offer upstairs? How about the change that we actually want to see? How about all of that? You see, that thing reason it's not as common as you think it is. Coming here today, you find out that even the road we came through is not in good shape. But it is someone's job to make sure those roads are in good shape. But we the people, we don't even know because we have all lost focus. Majority of the people I went to school with, at least 70% have left Nigeria. Some of them never come back because they started their lives over there. But the place you are japping to didn't just drop down from heaven. These same intellectuals came together to say, let us fix our land. Most importantly, let us create a functional society with working system. You see, the problem of Nigeria is not the fact that you don't have light. The problem of Nigeria is not the fact that you go to hospitals and they don't have the facilities. That's not the problem of Nigeria if you think about it, because one of the things an intellectual person will do is to what? Is to research. Most big organizations outside of Nigeria, their biggest department in organizations is their R&D. Problem of Nigeria is a fundamental problem. We do not have a functional society with working system. One of the major reasons why Nigeria is where it is today is because we have left the good old days of saying, let us have the people that have something upstairs to be in politics. We have left those days. Everybody is just looking for shortcuts, looking for how they can get this quick, how they can. It doesn't work like that. The Bible says, despite not the days of humble beginnings, you must start from somewhere. Because I know there's a process. I'm not here to promise you borehole. I'm not here to promise you all this nonsense, but I promise you one thing, that we will work tirelessly to make sure we create a functional society with working systems.
Hey, hey.